When we sat down with Sean this year to work on his new system boot, there was a couple things he really wanted. First and foremost was mid-range support, something that wasn't too stiff and wasn't too soft.
What I want in a boot is I want something that's very comfortable, yet supportive. I want my boot to touch all parts of my foot, because that means when I'm making the slightest movement, it's going to be translated to the board. So my boot kind of fits in the middle of the range. It's not super stiff, and yet it's not super flexible. I want something that's going to be supportive, but allow me to kind of tweak the board when I want to. Like I said, I like to go wake to wake sometimes, but I also like to boot out into the flats, and I want the support to be there to catch me when I'm coming down.
The other thing he was looking for was a mid-cut cuff height. What this gave him was a good range of motion, but still the support he needed.
So I've got two lace zones, one in the lower part and one in the upper part, which means you can have that lower part tight and the upper part a little bit looser if you want. And once again, that just comes down to how customized you want your ride.
This boot features our revolutionary two-part construction, which is different from any other boot in the industry. This construction features an EVA light outsole with TPR impact-resistant heel pods, Ultralon insoles, and a heat-moldable Hyperliner.
When you put your foot into the binding, the first thing that people say is like they're amazed at how comfortable it is, you know, front to back. But if you kind of look down inside the boot, you're going to see these little pockets that your ankles fit into. And that's just another thing that makes it feel like this boot is on your foot like a sock. And it's an amazing performing piece of equipment. My boot looks tough this year. Super happy with it. Just like, looks like SWAT team and motocross mixed together. It's like a SWAT motocross guy. So as you can tell, I'm super excited about my boot this year and how it looks and how it feels, how it performs. So go and check it out. You can put it in either our black binding or our white binding new for this year. Super tight.